Do you ever feel like you're running in circles, busy all day, but still not hitting your big goals? That's where The One Thing by Gary Keller comes in. The book shares a simple but powerful idea. Success doesn't come from doing everything. It comes from doing the right thing. The core principle is the focusing question. What's the one thing I can do such that by doing it, everything else will be easier or unnecessary? Instead of juggling 10 priorities, zoom in on the single task that makes the biggest impact. Think of it like dominoes. When you knock over the first, it sets off a chain reaction. Your one thing is that first domino. For example, if you're trying to lose weight, the one thing might be cooking healthy meals at home. Once you do that, eating better, saving money, and feeling healthier all follow. Keller also warns about the myth of multitasking. We think doing more makes us productive, but splitting attention just weakens results. Focused energy on the one thing multiplies results. Another key idea is time blocking. Protect a chunk of your day, even just a few hours, to work only on your most important task. Treat it like an unmissable appointment with yourself. Over time, these focused hours add up to massive progress. The big takeaway? Extraordinary results are built by consistently focusing on the essential, not the endless. Don't try to do it all. Just identify your one thing and give it your best effort. If this resonated, like this video, subscribe for more insights, and check out The One Thing by Gary Keller to completely reframe how you chase success.